This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with immediate action. Install a Linux VM and a Git client now. Practice commits and branches until natural. Once comfortable, spin up Docker and run a simple container, because containers make deployments reproducible. Make sure to read one CI pipeline example and replicate it. Doing so shows you how automation ties commits to builds. This fast, hands-on start removes theory paralysis and sets a foundation you'll build on in the next steps. Once done with basics, assemble a complete pipeline for a tiny app. You will write a Docker file, push an image to a registry, and configure CI to run linting and tests on every push. This proves your loop works. Then wire a CD job to deploy to a staging environment. Use tags or manual approval so you control releases. Make sure to use infra as code for the staging cluster so the environment is repeatable. This step teaches you how automation scales and reduces human error. To finish, harden and iterate. Add monitoring and centralized logs so you can see failures. Alerts should be actionable. You must practice rollbacks and automated health checks. Rehearsing restores confidence and prevents chaos. Once stable, document runbooks and automation steps so teammates replicate your work. If something breaks, first check logs and recent commits, then run the pipeline locally to isolate the error. This focused closeout turns a prototype into real-world experience you can show employers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.